Okay, second in the series of lessons, if you like, about getting the hang of playing basses in reels using this offbeat strategy. If you looked at the Drowsy Maggie clip, you'll remember that the strategy consists of playing an and a pa, or a bass and a chord, and then as long as that chord continues, just doing the offbeat. So, a great tune to practice this on is called the Boyne Hunt, a reel, originally a Scottish reel called the Perthshire Hunt. Went to Ireland, became called the Boyne Hunt, and I'll show you why I think it's a particularly good tune for this. If you look at the way it's constructed, in this first few bars, you've got this rocking pedal figure, and every time you hit the note F sharp, that's an offbeat. So if you can concentrate on hitting with those F sharps, you'll be on the road to getting the feel of where offbeats lie. So that's a kind of a loop that I'm practicing there, that you can practice, and just to get the hang of it. So every time you play an F sharp, and then you change for this A chord here. Another way of figuring out where the offbeat comes is to tap your foot very emphatically. Now if you tap on the on beat, you'll get bang, pa, like this. So that's about it really, just practice that tune. So I'll go through the second part as well. I'll go through the whole thing slowly. Just the second part. As you see, I've got some work to do on this subject as well, but you can learn with me. The Boyne Hunt.